Hello good people, welcome back. So today I'll be teaching you how to create a fast food flyer design on your smartphone using PixelLab. So firstly, you are going to adjust your design dimension and the size of your design to your preferred size by clicking on these three dots at the top right corner, and you click on image size. So in today's flyer design, we'll be using 1280 by 1380. So after doing that, we'll go next to bringing and importing our background. So this, you click on import and you click on this background here, then you adjust it to the size you would like to use, and you bring it to the center, make it centered. Now to adjust your background or whatever element you're adding to your flyer to be centered, you click on relative position here, then click on it to be centered, the centered one. So after doing that, you click your top right corner, you click on this and you click on lock here. So after clicking on lock, your background is locked, so you can import other elements on it without touching or affecting the position of your background. So that's been done. The next thing is to import our elements one after the other and arrange it as we want it to be. So you click on import and you click on the main element, which is the shawarma. Bring it to the center, you adjust the size and you tilt it a little bit. After doing that, you import other elements that you want to add to the design, like this. It's in motion, the shawarma is in motion here. Bring it to somewhere here. Then you can copy this image, you can copy your element by clicking on copy here. You have a duplicate of it, then you reduce the size. This is coming to this place. Then you import, click on import and you click on this element here. You reduce the size to your preferred size and tilt it and bring it down here. So the next element will be importing now is this. So after importing your element, this element, to remove the white background from the image, you come to erase color and you click on erase color. So after clicking on erase color, you click on enable, then come down and increase the tolerance, so the white shade will be removed from the image completely. Then you can have only black or whatever color you have there. Then you click on color to change the color. In this case, you'll be going with white. And reduce the size. Then we are good. Thereafter, you import your logo. Also, you import your logo. It's also on a transparent background. You import your logo. And here we are going to be using our center tool to center the logo. Then what next is we are going to import other elements that are going to be useful for the design. So you import this element. It's also on a transparent background. And when you import it, you change the color to whichever color you want. In this case, we're going with yellow. Let's bring it down a little bit. So now we are going to add our text to the design. So adding our text, you click on this tool here, this A tool here. You click on it, then you click on text. That means you are adding new text. You can see it here, new text. Then click on edit. Then we'll add our text there, which is the name of the brand, Kiki's Place. Now to change the color, you scroll to the side, then you click on the white color, which is what we want to use for this design. And to change the font also, you click on font here, and you look for the fonts you want to use for your design. So here we are using Hexaboard. Then you reduce the size. Let's lock this up, this logo, to lock it. Let's make it centered. So we are good. So we can copy this text also and add the new text we want to use, that is chicken and beef. So this will be on another font. So we are going to pick our font. This is the font we want to use for it. You increase the size. Now to increase the spacing between the word, between the letters, you can click on spacing, and to increase the spacing between one word and the other in paragraph, you click on line spacing. But to increase the spacing between each letter, you click on spacing, just spacing. So you can increase the spacing a little bit. Let's make it 4. You can also reduce the spacing there depending on your style, what you want to design. So you center it. Let's bring it down a little bit. Now for your position, you click on position, and you can increase or decrease the amount of pixel you want to move it with. So you can click on position and you increase or decrease the rate at which you want your position, at which you want your element to be shifted. So the next is you copy this text again, and you edit and type your shawarma. So that's the word we want to use, shawarma. Here we are going to change the font also. We click on font. So after clicking on font, you check for the font you want to use. So we are going for this. You increase it. And now to change the style of this font, to change it either to be italics or bold or light, so you are going to come here and click on style. So clicking on style, you click on italics here. If you want it to be underlined, you click on this to be underlined, and if you want it to be bold, you click on this, but we don't want that, so we only want italics. So if you don't want that, you just click on this crossed T sign and it will be cancelled, just like Ctrl Z on your system. So we can change the color here to this. This is the color we want to use. To change the color, you can use your alignment tool to also checkmate. Is it aligning? Then we can adjust it to the center. It's there now. So tilting this also, increase the size of this, then you reduce the spacing. To increase the size, you can also come here so you have an accurate size. So you center it, and that's that for the text. So the next text, you click on Kiki's place, you copy and you edit. So call or WhatsApp. Reduce the size, then we are good. Then to pick a shape as an element, you click on this, then you click on shape, and that is a square. You can adjust it to become a rectangle. Now you can increase or decrease the radius depending on how you want your shape to be. So yeah, you can change your color also to your preferred color, which is this that we want to use for this design. Then you center it. Let's increase this one. So you copy the font and you input your number, phone number. Input the phone number. So that's your phone number. So you take it to the center here. You increase the size and the spacing. Then you center it and you change the color to black. So that's the color, preferred color we want to use for this design. You bring this here. Then thereafter, you can copy this element also, the shape, rectangular shape. You copy it and you click on edit to adjust it to what you want. Take it to the position you want to take it to. Take to the position you want to take it to. Yeah. take to the position you want to take it to. Then change the color to white. So we are good. So yeah, you click on import, and you import your elements, which is this. You import this element and you position it here. Let's lock this up also, and you position it. You reduce the size and you position it here. So after doing that, click on Kiki's place and you copy it and edit. Then you type whatever you want to type. Order now. And you adjust. You reduce the size to the preferred size you want to use. And change the color to black. Let's increase the size a little bit to this. And we are good. So the next thing to do now is to import the other element that we want to import, which is this. And like I said the other time, you click on erase color, click on enable, and you increase the tolerance. Then you click on the color you want to use, which is this, and we are positioning it here. Coming down a little bit. So lock it up because we want to bring this down a little bit. Yeah. So after doing that, click on Kiki's place because it's the same font we want to use for what we want to do. Click on copy, then 15% discount. 15%. Bring it down. Increase the font size. That means the size of the text, and you tilt it a little bit by clicking on rotate. Click on rotate to tilt it a little bit. So you have tilted it. Position it. Your preferred position. Click on copy. Then click edit to discount. When you edit to discount, you reduce the size. Reduce the size. Let's keep this back a little bit. Increase the size of 15%. So we are good to go. Now our design is ready. We need to import one last thing, which is this element here. Click it a little bit, and yes, our design is ready. Now to increase the opacity of this, you click on opacity and you reduce it a little bit. To your preferred choice. So we are good to go. Now to export our design, you click on this icon here, then you click on save as image. Then you change the format to PNG, and you change the dimension to ultra. Then you click on save to gallery. Let's wait for it to render and save our image and save our design. So finally, that's saved our design. So the next thing for us to do is to save our project. We click on this again and say save as project. Then you name your project shawarma and click on OK. Then we are good to go. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like and turn on your notification to get notified for our next video. Thank you.